God. This article is about the investigating the sustainable development of University of Tabriz based on green management parameters and preferences of university managers. I'm presenter Farhad Bolouri, and the other author is Professor Dr. Zarghami. The table of contacts. We have these sessions in this PowerPoint: introduction, lecture review, methodology, results, and conclusion. About the sustainable development, we know is economic growth and social development and environmental protection. It starts from the Portland report, and after in our common future, and after in Rio conference, and after that is a millennium development goals, and after that is sustainable development goals. About the sustainable development for universities, it is a national form, okay, and we have 17 goals. And why the sustainable development for universities is important? Because of the educate governors in the university, and after that a large number of people in the universities. And some universities sees the CO2, some sees the well-being and asset space because of the sustainable development, like the University of Otago or European universities or Wageningen and other universities in the about the sustainable development for universities in Iran, we have green management instead of sustainable development frameworks. And it starts from the control of lighting systems to transportation. About the lecture review, Fagihimani in the 2012 starts a project that named a systematic approach for measuring environmental sustainability at higher education institutes. And Malekinia and et al. In 2014 have a research in defining and prioritizing the components of a sustainable university. Beginning has a framework development of campus sustainability assessments. Omitifar et al. In the 2018 explaining inequality and the ranking of Tehran University. About the methodology, the University of Tabriz is our case study, and you see a map of it. About the methodology, we have data of Sustainable Development Goals, University of Tabriz, and other universities' roadmap. We have knowledge, and we now can group multi-criteria decision making, and now leadership decisions with recommendations and preferences, and now we can suggest three main strategies for the university leaders. We have 14 and one component in five classification of environmental management to the research. Yes, you see. And after that, we have results. We sent about 200 emails, and 34 answered us. It was in a Likert 5 option, very strong impacts to very weak impacts. Yes, and the three main you see. Yes, reducing energy consumption and the use of clean energy is in a first rank. Active participation in a local and national sustainable development, and in the third place, attracting the support of senior management. managers for the success in the university green management. For the senior managers is reducing energy consumption and diversification of university financial resources and active participation in the local and national sustainable development is very important. For the senior manager of the campus of university is the waste management and attracting to the support of senior managers that are success in the green managers and providing professional jobs for the achieving sustainable development is very important. But in the general, reducing energy, attracting the support of managers, and active participation in the sustainable development in the local and national is very important. At the conclusion, in this study, we have some factors influencing sustainable development in university. We observed the splashes group agreed to the top component, and after that it was clearly that the direction of the work experience of opinion in their opinion and what the university staffs or the others is a bit different of each other. And the next step, we want to a system dynamics model for sustainable development in the universities. Thank you for your attention. It's my email and phone number. Thank you.